Hey there everybody, good to see you and welcome to this tutorial on article prompts. Now we're going to use a ChatGPT-like program. It's actually better in my opinion because it has so much you can do with it. But what we're going to do today for ease of use is do it in one of the modes that's available here on TextWriter that will allow you to do a conversational type of AI chat, which is what ChatGPT is known for because it continues the thinking process of what you've been talking about as you chat with the program. So TextWriter can do that too. I chose TextWriter because it's a one-time payment, never have to worry about recharging or adding money to your account, any of that kind of stuff. And it comes with Human Talk, which you see up here on the menu, which allows you to take text and convert it into a AI voice that has human-like emotions and everything. You select the emotion, it's incredible. So we'll talk more about that and in just a few minutes. So what we want to know is prompts, because that's really what this video is about. What are the prompts that I need to put in? And prompts are pretty much just suggestions that tells the AI what kind of results you need. And it's really important to do that. So let's start over here with the first prompt, and here are the three prompts. I'll make these available to you in the chat, or you can type them in like some people do, as you can pause the video. But we're going to take this first one. Pretend you're an expert author that specializes in writing online articles. So you're already telling ChatGPT what kind of mode you want them, way that you want them to be thinking. I need you to help me brainstorm article ideas for the health and wellness niche. Now, you can put anything you want in this area. Where I put health and wellness, you might do online marketing, you might do prepper gear, you might do exercise video, whatever it is, whatever your niche is, something you're passionate about, something you know something about, you can put that in here. So I'm using health and wellness because it's very popular. Please create a table that includes the following information in separate columns: the niche, the target audience, and the list of appealing topics. So I am going to grab that right now. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to come back over to my chat prompt. Now, in TextWriter, I need to tell it that I want the conversational, and that is the smart chat. So you go up here to smart chat, and it's saying, what should I write about? And you're going to tell it right here. You're going to paste that in, and you're going to click up here to next. And that will process it very quickly, and you'll have an incredible outline of niches and ideas for you. So there it goes. All right, so the parents, new parents juggling with responsibilities and self-care, seniors looking to maintain their health as they age. A target audience might be busy professionals, which I really like. So mental health tips for managing stress at work. Well, we all know that exercise can help that with endorphins and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this topic because I'm going to need it in my next prompt. So I'm going to copy, then I'm going to my second prompt. Now what we want to do is create 10 attention-grabbing titles for articles in the topic of, and I'm going to come over this one and I'm going to paste my new choice right there. And then I'm going to say, it says make sure that the title is high CTR or click-through rate. In other words, it's attractive and people would click on that title because they're interested in it. And precisely describes the problem the reader is trying to solve or results they are trying to achieve. So now I'm going to grab this and put it into our chat program because it already knows the topic and the niche we're working with, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and we're going to paste it right in here into the conversation, and we're going to send. So there they are. There's the titles. There's some great ones here. Stay sane at the office. Strategies for managing stress and anxiety. Conquer work stress. 10 practical mental health tips for professionals. Well, since we're doing a little more about wellness, we can do workplace wellness, how to protect your mental health from stress. I really like that one. So I'm just going to grab it. You may like one of the others on the list, and that's why we ask the chat program to give us a bunch of different ones. So the final prompt until you get your article, because that's what we're all here for, how do I get that article, is to go here. Please write highly engaging, easy to read article about the following title. I'm going to take the quotation marks here and I'm going to copy and paste, and there is my article. The article must include a strong hook and intro that grabs attention and introduces the problem. It must include objection handling, open loops, and concisely explain how to solve the problem from the title. The style must be conversational. And I'm just taking some spaces out here. And the tone must be friendly. Now, in prompts, when you're doing prompts, you can actually change other parts of this prompt. You'll see things like tone must be friendly. Well, maybe you want the tone to be authoritative. Maybe you want your style to be less conversational and more of a narration or narrative. So you can change some of these elements and still get the same results. But let's go ahead and take this prompt, because I know you're anxious to see what kind of article is this going to create. And we're going to paste that into here, into our little conversation that we got going on with the chat. And we're going to send it. And in just a few seconds, we should see an amazing article get printed out for us. And here we go. Look at that. Look at that beautiful article. And the assistant is who we're talking to. They created this amazing article. Now, what I caution you and encourage you to do is to never, ever paste your article directly from here right into a blog post, right onto medium.com, or wherever you're posting articles. It is becoming more and more popular with a lot of those posting sites and different social medias to be able to detect AI generated content. So the purpose of this is not to create the content and then just paste it. You really want it to be more of a tool to help you create an amazing article. So I'm going to paste it here just so you can see it on my note. And you're going to want to do things like take out the word title, because that's the prompt for the outline that you gave it. So take any kind of prompt stuff out of there. And then it's going to talk about this. Now, I don't like conclusions typically. I would definitely take the prompt out, and then I would reword this, or take maybe just the first bit out, and then say, remember, you deserve a happy and healthy work environment, whatever. So go through here. Make sure it's in your language. Make sure it's conversational. There are tools out there, and they have varying degrees of success. I am not going to recommend one for you, but I do say that there are some tools out there that do what they call humanize AI language. So you can take this, paste it in. Some are paid for, some are free. I would kind of shy away from the free ones because they may not do a great job, but it's up to you. You're responsible for your content, so make sure you really hear what I'm saying and make it your own. So go through here, and you know what I would say, these are your call to actions. You can highlight these in your post. You can put links to whatever it is you're selling, products, or you're selling an ebook on health and wellness or exercises that you can do at work or whatever. So that's another class, that's another time. But these are the great prompts that you can use to get social media content very quickly and make it your own. Have a great day, and don't forget to check the links down below for Text Writer and also Human Talk. It's amazing. They're bundled together, one price, never have to pay again, unlimited use. Have a great day.